Hey guys, so today me and my sister have a YouTube channel.
Hello.
My name is Berkeley
And my name's Ellie. And this is our friend Anna right here.
and this is our first ever video, so yeah. Let's get this video to
10 likes.
10 likes and let's get some subscribers, okay? And I'm gonna be showing you all my fidget toys in this video. Let's go. I can like
do the camera, guys, you know.
Okay, here we are. This is my fidget bin. First off, we have this stress ball. It was in the net, but it broke. Okay, next we have this pop-it band. I got this from the mall, and it goes in the dark. And then I have mochis. All of these are from the Dollar Tree. I keep them in my jelly fruit bin, which is awesome. Next, I have a half of a popping tube. Yes, half, because my friend cut it in half. And then gave it to
My
me.
friend's brother.
And then we have this really good thing. And then I have this mini pop-it, sorry. And I have these three, so let's review them. First I have this. So good. Squishy from Five Below. And
Also monkey noodle from Walmart.
And this. Awesome. Crab Puppet. Neato stress ball. Neato stress ball. Mini purple pop tube. Marble match. Monkey noodle. Pop-it. And pop-it.
Oh, what the heck is that on your hand?
It was a tattoo of SpongeBob. And then we have these two pop-its, so let's review them. Okay, first we have this. This side, really good, right? Okay, but this side, now we talking.
Let's see this one. This is my favorite pop she has. It's scrumptious.
Next up, we have a bunch more monkey noodles. Came in a pack, obviously. Another one. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. And that's all monkey noodles. And then I have this one I got from my friend, which she got from the Red Toy Balloon store. And it's actually really good on both sides. Next up, we have this mini pop-it from the Red Toy Balloon store. It's really good on both sides as well. Next, I have 6 magnetic rings. Awesome, right? And an acupressure ring from my friend that traded with me. Next, I have this jumbo Orby stress ball. I got this one from Five Below too.
Dang, boy,
and thick. And then I have this fidget spinner with the rolly balls from an infinity cube thingy.
Ooh, I like it.
And then I have this dimple fidget spinner I got from Five Below.
I have one of those.
It's awesome.
I'll be showing my fidgets after her.
And then I have this Film Alive. Not really fidget, but I like watching it.
It's kind of like a water timer ball.
And then I have a U fidget from Learning Express.
I kind of broke it by accident.
And then I have a spiky ball, obviously. Why not? And then my last but not least fidget is this.
Berkeley.
Oh, I have one more too. This pop-it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have this pop. This is the one I got today, actually. It's a sheep, and I got it from the mall.
Yeah. So disturbing, like when you pop down to one eye.
Okay, and I'm gonna
wait.
Look it.
I'm built different.
And look at it. Like all these pops. Right? Okay. We're going to be making another video of my sister showing all of her fidgets. Peace out, guys.
10 likes, guys.
10 likes and subscribers. Bye.
Bye.